This is the road to Pierce's Ferry and also to the boat ramp. Goes in the back of Lake Mead. This is where the Colorado River comes out of the Grand Canyon area and dumps into Lake Mead. Alright, we're coming down towards the lake. It really is low, but it's not as low as it has been. It's coming up slowly.
Well, I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. Well, I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. I ain't got no woman just to call my special friend. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. I didn't have no pharaoh, not even no place to go.
Very still.
And my dear
Earthquake
mother
weather.
left me when I was quite young.
Want an earthquake here, honey?
No.
And my dear mother left
doesn't
me
like earthquakes.
when I was quite young. When I was quite young. She said, Lord, have mercy.
Very back
on
Lake Mead
my
you're looking at
son.
right there. Very rear of it. Colorado River is to the right. And of course to the left you keep going for miles and miles and miles and you'll go to the Hoover Dam. Pretty big gully right there. That's a gully whomper. Yep.
Take a hint from your mama, please. Don't you cry no more. Don't you cry no more. Take a hint from your mama, please. Don't you cry no
Down.
more. Don't you cry no more.
Coming down.
'Cause it's soon one morning. Down the road I'm gone. But I ain't going down that long old lonesome road all by myself. But I ain't going down that long old lonesome road all by myself. I can't carry you, baby, gonna carry somebody else.
Come down. Here's what it looks like on the map. See, it's down substantially in a whole wide area there. It's like a bathroom tub. Heading down. It's a no shooting area. Loaded weapons prohibited. So check your weapons at the door. Now, this is Christmas Day 2010. And there aren't any crowds out here. There are never any crowds out here. Take a look at this. See how high up it goes there? Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty rugged too. Coming down towards the bottom. Yeah, this is about 10-12 miles from Meadview. Meadview actually is not by Lake Mead at all. It's under a big mesa, a big plateau. What is the difference between a mesa and a plateau? I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Alright, coming down. Coming. Exciting stuff here. Wow, it is really calm. No winds out here at all. We've been out here before where there's almost white caps. There you have it. There's the boat ramp. If you go straight ahead, you go in the lake. Yeah. Here are the toilets. Got a 1 toilet, 2 toilets, 3 toilets. So, we're right down here at the back of Lake Mead, and we're going to go to Meadview next. It's an exciting Christmas day. Oh, yeah.